Welcome back everyone. In this video we will install Tailwind CSS inside React Vite project. So let's first of all create our Vite project. Come here to the VS Code editor and open the terminal. So just come here to the terminal and open new terminal. After opening that, we will simply just come here to the Tailwind CSS page. Look at Tailwind CSS installing using Vite. So let's copy this first one. Copy this command and paste it. So look at npm create Vite at latest and create a folder my project. So need to install the following packages. Yes, press Y and press enter. So we will use React.js, and here we will select JavaScript. You can select TypeScript also. I use Vite at beta experimental. So no, we don't want, we want the stable version. Install with npm and start now. Yes. So now it will install the dependencies of our React project. The installation completed in our Vite project is running now. It says move to this URL. But if you want to close it, press Ctrl C. Again, if you want to run your app, change the directory. Right now we are in CRUD AI folder, so we will move cd my project. After opening there, we can write npm run do. So it will run our React server. So look at. So let's press this and to open our React project. Now to install Tailwind CSS, for that we need to follow the documentation of Tailwind. Just come here after creating your app, install Tailwind CSS. First of all, copy these commands. Copy this. Come here and I will close this, Ctrl C, and right click to paste that and press enter. So it will install Tailwind CSS inside our React project. The Tailwind installed inside our React project. Now let's go back to the documentation, what it says. So it says configure the Vite plugin. So to configure that, we will move to the vite.config.tsr.js file. So come here and we will move to the vite.config.js file. Close the terminal. So here inside this, it says come here and import Tailwind CSS. So let's copy this and we will import this like this. After importing this, now we will use that here. Come here, copy a comma, then here we will write Tailwind CSS and call that. So it was all about this. Yeah, Tailwind CSS, we did that. Now it says import inside in the CSS file. Copy this and we will paste it inside index.cs file. I will remove all the rest of the code. Control S, save it, and also the default code. I will remove this default code, everything. So here I will just write our h1 tag, Tailwind CSS inside React Vite project. Save it and let's run our app. npm run do. Let's open URL. Just come here. So Tailwind CSS. Now let's add Tailwind CSS classes. So let's here we will add class name and text 3xl and text blue 500. Save it and just come here. So look at it has been applied and this. So it was the installation of Tailwind CSS inside React Vite project. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.